Children, these are bamboo trees. There are many types of bamboo trees, and traditional craftsmen make many things out of them. Toys, utility things, many things. I'll tell you more about them. You must be knowing that flutes are made of bamboo. But this flute is different. It's called a tribal flute. And to hear music from this, you have to brandish it like this. Isn't that nice? Something different? Have you seen this before? No. Now this is a bamboo pole, and it's a toy made from a bamboo pole. It's an organic mat piece covered on this bamboo pole, and it's hollow inside. And this has some beads inside it, which will do a trick that I'll show you. Just listen to this carefully. Now this is another thing made of bamboo. It's a hollow bamboo stick, and this is used in the Kerala kitchen to make a traditional and very tasty breakfast dish. It is called the puttu, and this is called the puttu kuti. Actually, you mix rice flour and coconut gratings and filled into this hollow place. And this is placed on a pot which has boiling water, and steam enters through in here and it gets cooked. And it's very tasty, and you should try to know its taste. And children, having heard so much about Kerala, do you feel like coming to this land, this tropical paradise, to see it all for yourself? And you get a wonderful opportunity now. There is a painting competition being held, and you can participate in that. And if you win the competition, you get a free trip to Kerala with your parents. For details, please visit the site www.kerlatourism.org/Clint. I repeat, visit www.kerlatourism.org/Clint.